Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Victor, and in this presentation, I want to show you how to earn 300,000 naira more every month from Propreneurs World. See, I'm going to be a bit fast in this presentation because I would like to conclude it in 15 minutes because of the timing for the recording and all that. So, like I said, my name is Victor. I'm a digital marketer, founder of Afia Online. It's an e-commerce store, and I'm a partner of Propreneurs World. See, over the past 5 years, I've helped like hundreds of individuals to start an online business that doesn't interfere with their current job or business. If you want to learn more about my stuff, you can visit my blog, victoradina.com. I would like to help you achieve very, very, very wonderful financial results in 2008 by leveraging on the Propreneurs business opportunity. Now, what is Propreneurs World? It's a human capacity and entrepreneurial development company. It's registered with the CAC. You can confirm that. So, it's not just some companies that come in, take your money and jump out. It's duly registered. You can confirm that. Propreneurs World improves skills and knowledge of entrepreneurs through trainings. You're going to get access to trainings. You get access to free medical service. I'm going to explain this to you. And as a member of Propreneurs World, when you subscribe to the affiliate program, you have the opportunity to earn a recurring income for life. Now, these are the founders of Propreneur. It was launched on the 15th day of April 2018. It's new. So the best time to come to this opportunity is right now, to the hot. So this is one of the founders, Engineer Chuku Steven. He's a serial entrepreneur with interest in distribution businesses. He's also a multi-level marketer. He's a graduate of chemical engineering and a street smart marketing professional. Over 15 years practice field experience. He's a motivational speaker and a peak performance coach and all that. Now, this is Ambassador Okpara. He's an entrepreneur as well. He's a business administrator, a leadership coach with over 15 years practical experience in MLM. He has been on the forefront of multi-level network marketing development in Nigeria and all that. Now, this is Barrister Uche Benemi. You know why you should have a barrister in your house now? Should I start explaining that? Well, she's a graduate and she has vast experience in litigation. Oh God, I cannot pronounce litigation again. Litigation practice. Alright, and this is Dr. Timothy Odege. Is a seasoned ophthalmologist and renowned business strategist. Now, the vision of Propreneurs World is to raise successful entrepreneurs and to inspire them to become better people. The mission is to raise successful and professional entrepreneurs who are inspired and passionate enough to create others through our vocational and innovative programs. Our core values include sustainability, accountability, creativity, fulfillment, integrity, freedom, and inspiration. The services and entrepreneurship development training, we train you how to become an entrepreneur. We teach you the steps to take because we have lots of experience in this area. We're going to guide you and teach you how to go about it. Healthcare delivery services. As a member of Propreneurs World, you have access to free medical services. You see people slump and die and they say it's their village people that they are shot arrow. It's not arrow in most cases. Simple thing, go and do checkup. But people are scared that when they do checkup, doctor will now discover another thing. They will now end up paying thousands of money that they don't have. No, but with Propreneurs World, you can just walk into any designated hospital in your area and you get medical treatment for life for free. Personal development training, vocational and skill acquisition program, affiliate program where you learn how to earn more money, and mini importation training. This is a special training that I'm going to give to those people who sign up for this at the end of this presentation. You will learn how to import items from China for dead cheap, and then I'll also teach you how to sell these items. I even show you the product that I'm selling currently that sells very well. So how to earn 300k or more every month from Propreneurs World. This 207,000 was earned in 48 hours. $690. Dollar it is times 300 naira per dollar. The legwork was done. So after the launching, this account just hit BOA. And I'm going to teach you how to do that. Now, how to make money from this business. Recommend people. I'm not saying refer. Recommend people. That medical stuff I talked about, it's easy to tell somebody about. People can relate to that right now because of the way people are dying. Just recommend people to come and use the HMO. They call it HMO, Health Maintenance Organization. Recommend people to subscribe and get free trainings. Get rewarded for your recommendation. Now, the Propreneurs World is founded on 6 stages. You have the starter, stage one, stage two, down to stage six. Now, the starter stage. When you come in with a sum of 12,000 naira, that is you here. You are required to recommend two people. That's You come in with 12,000 naira each and you earn 3,000 naira each. That's 6,000 naira, right? Now, when these people go ahead to recommend two people each, you get a matching bonus here of 3,000 naira. That's 9,000 naira. I mean, you've got more than half of your money back. Now, when it continues in that progression, like these two people, get two people and all that, you also earn matching bonus here of 6,000 naira. Now let's look at total referral bonus. 3,000 naira times 2 referred equals to 6,000 naira. Your matching bonus total is 9,000 naira. Total referral earning for 6,000 naira plus 9,000 naira, that's 15,000 naira matching bonus. That's when you refer to. But if you refer to 6 people yourself, like let's say you use your money, I say yeah, money. You pay upfront your money, like you can do more than one account. Let's say it's like 7 accounts. It's 4,000. You understand? If you do it, you get this 27,000 back. Total bonus for if you refer 14 people, you get 51,000 naira. Listen, when people move from here, when you on top now, I've moved from here to that other stage. The next thing is this person, they have to start moving one by one, which means for this one to move, two people have to be on it, two people have to be on it, two people have to be on it. You understand? So they now start moving gradually and join you here. So as they are moving gradually and joining you here, you earn a matching bonus of 6,000 naira here, you earn matching bonus of 15,000 naira here, you earn matching bonus of 36,000 naira here. Is that not sweet? And the incentive you also get is shopping voucher of 33,000 naira. So total, 33,000 plus the matching bonus 57,000 naira. Total earning is 90,000 naira. Remember, when you are referring people directly to you, the money. Now, as a senior trainee, it continues that progression I explained to you. People that come from stage 1, they join you in stage 2. You get matching bonus 15,000, 30,000, 102. Shopping voucher of 63k, leadership bonus of 180k, and total matching bonus is 147k. So your total earning is 390,000 at this stage. So stage 3, it continues. Those people moving from stage 2, as they are joining you, as they are completing that sequence, they are joining you. Now, shopping voucher you get of 150k, leadership bonus of 300k, car fund 4.5, international travel of 450k, total matching bonus 300k. See what you get as the matching bonus for each of these levels: 30k, 90k, and 180. So total earnings is 5.7. This is very awesome, as in it's too much. Now, you continue like that. Matching bonus here is 30k, here 90k, here 180k. I'm sure you already understand this sequence. Then shopping voucher of 300k, leadership bonus of 300k, 5.1 million business fund, starting a business, infinity bonus of total matching bonus of 300k. So your total earnings here in stage 4 is 7.8 million. Stage 5 also, a matching bonus here is 60k, matching bonus here is 180, matching bonus here is 600k. Leadership bonus 360k, 600, 3.6, 600,000, 6 million by Villa fund, total matching bonus of this. Now, when you get to the stage 6 executive tycoon, you have a matching bonus on the first level 300k, on the second level 1.8, on your third level 4.2 million. Now, leadership bonus of 1.2, shopping voucher of 600,000, infinity bonus of 5.4, international travel of 600,000, Villa fund 9 million, total matching bonus of 6.3 million. Your total earnings, Chile, see money, 23 million, 23.1 million. Now that's that for that. Now I've explained all these things to you so that you understand, what is involved in this business. And look, you can even make even more money by just recommending that service. Free trainings, free entrepreneurship trainings, free medical service. And the entrepreneurship trainings, we have like practical trainings, like the one I told you about, the mini importation one that I'll be teaching you personally as a member. If you join under my team, I'll teach you, I'll give you my material that is worth over 100,000 naira for free when you join. Now, to join will cost you 12,000 naira per account, and you can do more than one account. As a matter of fact, I advise you to do more than one account. You can do 3 accounts, you can do 7 accounts. 3 accounts will cost you 12,000 times 3, 36,000 naira. 7 accounts will cost you 84,000 naira. Now, here is how to join. If you want to sign up by yourself, you just go here, this link, propreneursworld.com/deboot. When you click on it, it will open a page and you see where you have the referral name and all that. Click on next, fill the form, and when it gets to the payment point, it will ask you for they have different options. Actually, you can use the wallet, but the wallet has to be done by somebody. who is already in the system. Then you have the perfect money. If you have a perfect money account, you can do that by yourself. Then you have the MasterCard option to do it by yourself with your card. But I think there's a minor glitch. Last time I checked, the amount there was it's supposed to be 12,000, but the amount there is 14,000 or so. So it's probably a misconfiguration, by the programmers and all that. So if you're there and it's 12,000, you can actually just pay with your MasterCard. But if you're there, if you can't do that, then you have to make payments to Propreneurs World bank account. When you pay, after you pay to this account, you just send me an email, send me the slip, I'll forward it, and they would forward me the wallet dollar. Then also make sure that you send me all these details. As soon as you send all these details, I receive your stuff and I forward it. As soon as I get the wallet dollar in my account, I'll quickly register you and I'll send you your login details. Now, the benefit of joining my team is this. If you go to Google now, let me quickly show you something before. If you go to Google now and type in Propreneurs World, see, I've already done some bit of work for those people joining my. Why is this network slow? Come on now. These service providers, they will not kiss someone else. I'm using different modem, different SIM cards. This one I'm just trying is even now time and it was working. All right. Let me not. I'm just going to try to conclude this. But if this stuff loads up, when you load up, the first site you're going to see is the Propreneurs World site. Then the second one you're going to see is my blog. It means I'm already ranking for the keyword Propreneur. You'll also be seeing videos. You might even see this video when I upload it. What does that mean? When people start joining, over time, when people start searching for the opportunity and start joining in droves, all these people will not come under me directly because at any point in time I can only have like 2 people under me. Do you understand? So they will go to those people that are under me. You understand what I'm trying to explain to you now? So that's just it. If you're smart enough to understand this, then the time to join us is right now. And these are the information that you need to get started in this business. I don't want this to get any longer. If you have any question, if you're watching this on YouTube, you can drop a comment in the comment box, and you can also subscribe to my channel, because I'll be having more videos that will explain this business in details. I've got to draw the curtains now, and I wish you the very best in life in 2018. Peace, love, cheers. I remain my humble self, Victor.